Mic check, mic check, mic check. Welcome, people. You see the thumbnail, don't? The topic just dropping on my lap, so. Salute to all the new subscribers. Me love how the thing are going. Me like have this discussion. And if you are a Jamaican, whether you're living in the United States, England, anywhere over here in Europe, you see me? Japan, Jamaica also. If you're at Jamaica, you have to go in the comment section now. You have to make me know who and why. Whether you're busy, whether you're cartel. But yo, right now we have a good. Can we do a survey, you know? Oh God. Me, this old guy, do a survey. Listen to the entire video. Call night in about 10 minutes, me call night, but let's get into it. Furthermore, DEVA BRATT, you still a lead. DEVA BRATT, you still a lead. Cartel no answer yet. We still up on DEVA BRATT. But right now, let me tell you some of the response from me get. Can I send out some messages and me get some response. This is from Sweden. Sweden. It's from a female in Sweden. Okay, for me, none of them are a king of the dancehall. That's what it says. You ask who is the more famous and more better artist. I'm reading what she reply, yeah? When it comes to music, it is busy, signal on top. I repeat, when it comes to music, it is busy on top. When it comes to social media, and when it comes to gossip, Vybz Kartel more famous. This is from a female in Sweden. You can curse all you want in the comment section. Maybe agree or disagree. Take it out. Take it out on the comment section. Can we see you say no? Okay. This is from a female in England. Yes, I'm gonna make it up on people. I make you hear some voice note. Female in England. It's Vybz in terms of numbers. Vybz Kartel in terms of numbers. This is from DEVA in England. If you want me call the name, call the name. You see me? Alright, let me see a Jamaican now chime in. Voice note him said. Let me hear, listen to him voice note.
Tour busy tour from Cartel being man, across the world, man, isn't it? Cartel
let me start over.
Globally. Yo, the famous tour busy tour from Cartel being man, across the world, man, isn't it? Cartel big and busy signal globally. By far, bro, and that jail and prison busy signal around the world, and still the big and dark over globe. And I realize, bro, man, think about it, man. Not to check a Cartel and say busy being fine over the world, you know. But Cartel, when he been speaking over the world, while behind bar, and more now, while he come from bar, while he come from behind bar now, he been speaking more too. Yeah, man, go back to picking, man. You see me? Yeah, man, from the prison, watch him come now. Big global, man, big global topic, let go, man. This is recognized in Jamaica right now. Because I'm going to go busy, but internationally, see, tour and stuff, but Cartel big international, man, isn't it? I realize. Yeah, the famous tour.
Him say Cartel. Want to WhatsApp. When they send a voice note, it start race out the thing. Anybody recognize that? But here me say, him say Cartel. There's a thing in me interview, me talked about 5 to maybe 7 Jamaican and all of them say Cartel. I don't know. Alright, let me see. Me still go on, you know. Some of them cost me. Some of them say right Isaac, Gregory Isaac's son, him say, yo, him not getting it. That's what I say. From Germany, comment from Germany.
Is this a serious question? Vybz Kartel come out. I mean, don't know about my way about him. And I don't know, we can talk later. I can't call you. But definitely busy if I wasn't busy, right?
You hear what she say? Vybz Kartel, come on now. He might do him thing, but definitely busy. So from a woman from Germany. For you know, say, I don't know, girl thing I deal with. A real thing. This is our next artist. This man that Germany more time. No. In the no Poland. Czech Republic. This man there. Papayano.
Yeah, brother, greetings. Vybz Kartel, busy signal. Why? Why stick is still in about. Right now, I'm going with Vybz Kartel. I'm going with Vybz Kartel for now.
Alright, him go with.
Alright, brother, enough love, enough respect to you, and thanks for the reply.
Yeah, me send him back. Thanks for replying and sitting. So you know, say I make up things to get views and sitting. Me really do my research. You see me I say? Me see. Bobo Karim is a selector from Sweden again. Him link me and say, yo, busy signal are the best. You understand a theme word? Cartel now nothing over busy. When Cartel a perform or busy a perform, everybody are pretty busy. Busy have the better music, according to him. You see me I say? And go down, because I have more no people. I have more no, I just start. You see me I say? Just start. And in my mind, busy take down Kartel all the time. You see me? DJ Climax, boom. So a Climax I say now.
Yes, I greetings, Michael Highlight. Long time, no link up, yeah, man. Everything crazy in Kenya, so when it comes to the bigger artists between Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal, to me, I'd say it depends on what you call a big artist. And that's why my answer is Busy Signal. Yeah, man, bless you, love.
Busy. Kenya that, you know. Kenya, me talk to Kenyan man, you know. Artists from Kenya, me I talk about. Some know nobody say, oh, me just talk to Jamaican. No. Me keep it fair across the board. And me make you hear what them say. You listen to the voice note them. You see me I say? Busy me say. You know where this brother are there? Australia. Come in our house.
Yeah, man has respect, bro. You know the code. I have somebody on the mind about this. That easy.
Busy. Wait.
Oh, bro. Good question. The thing is, more that's a Vybz Kartel, you know. But here we go on. Remember, the Kartel they get locked up, you know what I mean? So, obviously, Busy Signal got more exposure internationally. You know what I mean? Kind of being the overseas thing that Vybz Kartel. But when it comes to the amount of each song, when I say Kartel and well-known the people like go frightened of an artist, a Vybz Kartel mostly internationally. You know what I mean? Based off of who me hear from, even the Africans, them and them look weird. But people still say, yeah, man, Busy Signal, I know from, watch out for this, but that's the only thing. When they pre Kartel, you know, people know Oliver Vybz Kartel song, bro. So, yeah, that's why it happens. More that's a Vybz Kartel.
Australia, a Vybz Kartel. Now this female from Sweden again, Stockholm, she log in and say, yo, Busy Signal. Busy Signal, busy. If we go through everything, I saw I go on over there, so. Green Busy, DJ Busy, Australia Busy, and them me just talk to. Appear busy people. 65% of who me interview, who me talk to, are busy them say. So when I deal with that now, because night doing research, you know. Busy go over, busy crossover. Watch out for this latest relics. Yo. Tonight. Now may I tell the people, you know, because I do a look research, you know, do a look survey, you know, and I busy take a cake, big man thing. Pan the rebroadcast, no man, for real man. You go hear the voice note down the people them sending to me. You understand? They're sending, because I ask them, say, yo, your input, and I'm busy. 65% say busy. And then we just did that, say, yo, when it come to crossover, soca music, people may never hear Kartel or soca music yet. And me used to live in Antigua, me used to live in the Caribbean where soca music hot. You see me I say? I'm busy. Busy have one of the biggest tune, soca tune, Worky. Me know you know Worky, don't I? You know Worky, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Worky. Me say, yo, lyrically, Busy better. Come in with Mr. Sheep Nation. Let me hear what I say.
All I say is, what a question. Who bigger internationally,
yes,
right?
Internationally. Who have the better career international wise. Not just Jamaica, international wise.
As of 2024,
yeah.
Kartel is the bigger artist internationally. First part, this is the first time we are talking about Busy Signal on the show. There's a reason for that, right? Two, Kartel's global. Don't get me wrong, you know, Busy Signal have some international hits, right? I can name two. I know two international hits for him, but me even not talk about the music alone. Just me talk about the presence or the character of the person. You hear Kartel name in a far places, whether it be Japan, whether it be Ghana, where they have African Gaza, right? An entire city down the so where Gaza for them thing. When they talk about Europe, even this upcoming summer, when you look on who book for the big stage then, the Wireless Festival, the Disa Germany, that so. A Kartel, you get me?
Yeah.
There's a reason why Billboard gave him the interview, the big interview this year. So as of right now, Kartel is the bigger artist right now. I don't see how people don't see that. That's not taken away from Busy Signal. Don't get me wrong. We're not a Peter for PayPal. You get me? But Kartel is the bigger name or the hotter name right now, and there's no going around that.
The hotter name right now, Miguel can just come from jail. Him still have a jail smell. You see me I say? Him still have a little mystique about him when people want to see. Because they want to know this guy will stay 13 years in a prison and sitting. But wait until the stench of the prison move off of him the next 6 months. You understand? Even if you want to compare Kartel before him got jail, 2011, him and Busy at the same time. Did you know that when them go far and go do any performance, a Busy close the show? You didn't know that?
In 2011.
Yes.
In 2011.
2010.
Busy, no.
Yeah?
2011, 2010. But I said Busy tour more. Because Kartel used to be a man where him too travel. As him himself say, him never too travel them time. But which is why I say 2024, as of right now, today, Kartel are the bigger artists. I'm not try to go back into the past. I'm not have a time machine.
You
not
have to go in that past. But the information is there. This is the time of the internet. If you say 2011, 2012, then time around then time Busy when bigger, then him have to be bigger today. You understand? Kartel name call up more now because he fresh out of jail. Not because the name call up more mean you have the better career international wise. No.
That don't make no sense. In 15 years ago, cool, you were the bigger person. But over the last 15 years, from behind bars, move forward with a wave, with a contagious movement where we spread internationally to the point where me I hear him name among some people, whether it be Beyonce on her song, Who Run the World, that a Kartel sample in this. Whether it be when the
major laser thing that, you know. Nah. Yeah?
Kartel, yes or no? Yes or no? Kartel upon yes or no?
No, Busy the pan that. Busy do a mother tune pan that. Busy tune mother pan that rhythm there. More than Kartel. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
You go to which song better? May I ask you which part of the song reach? Alright? You say major laser. I don't know major laser dropping. Yeah? I feel them thick, but you use the pocket from Kartel. Cool. I see the Jonas Brothers are record them album. A Kartel picture I see on the wall in the studio. Yes, sir, I did. Look at this devilish boy reach. If you want to could have behaved himself, right? As we said, 2024, Kartel.
People remember, you know. Remember, you know, people. More on your comment section light up, you know. Come on, hear from every Jamaican where I listen now. More any dancehall lover. Come, I know I have time for you to tell me what I want. Go ahead, sir, please.
And please, the people them in the comments, once again, let common sense reign. This isn't if we say A, that means I wouldn't like B. The two man them great, the two man them a legend, right? B saying one person bigger or one person more known is not taking away from the other artists in no point, shape or form. But we can be honest as people. Right? Vybz Kartel dominate the airwaves, whether locally, internationally, whether it be social media, whether it be for good things, whether it be for bad things. Kartel are the name where everybody buy fun for the last 15 years. And that's something we're supposed to can admit, whether we like him or not. Right? And that's what me feel. We're supposed to can admit, say, all right, we not too like that boy I about him. Him are the man for the last, etc., whether locally, internationally, or what. There's a reason why he might get all of the bookings right now, right? We don't know what 6 months ago look like, you know, but at least for the last 15 years, 10 years, I call it 10 months, him are the man. You see me? And that's how you say.
And that's how you say, yeah? I'm busy. Let me see, we can link up our next nigga, you know, because me see you do your homework, you know. You see what I'm saying? Me see you do your homework and I'm like that. That's what I'm saying.
Our boy from Dunkson, you shout him back, you know. The number one hater, brother.
Shout him up and all. You see what I'm saying? Number one hater. But I say, yo, me understand the point. But busy right now, Kartel have a way. Me can't take that from him. Me a hater, but me a player hater. You understand? I'm not a player hater. I'm an objective thinker. That's what I say. I think objective. Yo, Australia, where are you dealing?
Where are you?
You know, sorry if you call the back so soon, you know, but right now I record. You see me I say, I'm not live, but I go put it out.
But you know, say, blood clot, I rank take off my father, man.
No say nothing more, man, but I can't tell you, say, don't.
Yeah, man, I can't tell the badness, so.
But busy
Kartel
bad team.
International.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, be two of them bad man. You can't take that from none of them. You see me?
We
But
can't
based
tell
off
the bigger artists, no.
bigger artists, you see me? Yeah, man, the
Come
people
on,
big
man.
Cartel are more superstar, you know. People ain't got more crazy for Vybz Kartel and people them long to see Vybz Kartel. And you know him have more I think him have more capture like a international song.
Easily. And you know what the thing too? You know what the thing too? Busy song them, you know. Busy have some song we reach worldwide, you know, but them know the song and they know the face.
They
You
don't know
can't
the
get
face.
yeah, with Cartel, you know the song, you know the face, you know the person.
You know everything, you know what I mean? You know everything, bro. No joke, man. You see me?
Yeah, man. Image
So I
is
just-
a part of everything. And busy now on an image where I travel with the music. And
with the
Michael know
music,
that.
yeah, you know what I mean? I have to have image and all of them something. The Cartel have that. Remember, I 3 different times Cartel change the image, you know. And see Cartel though, what they call it? The man make you get what silver and gold and all of them something, you know, without. You see me? Record label or without. Him not even dead, you know what I mean? He not even there on the road.
All right, brother. Me know say I have to cut you now, but me may ask you something. You're a king named Vybz Kartel. You don't think saying if you answer DEVA, BRATT?
Nah, sir.
No, man, you're wicked, man. No, man, you can't answer that.
Waste of time. Big waste of time.
Wait, man, can you explain yourself? Why?
Oh my God.
Australia,
Yeah,
man.
man, a big waste of time, man.
No, man. Why you say that?
I mean, say man, I can't say you see levels, check your levels now. Remember, I know, I found when Cartel just start Empire, DEVA BRATT did in, and DEVA BRATT now move from there, say, you know, from them time, you know, brother. Remember, good man.
So you are using pass against him. You make a good point.
You can go clash with fully bad and them artists, brother.
A good point to make.
A good point.
I'm telling you, make a good point.
Outside, man.
You make a good point. Michael, so the same thing you just used to shoot down DEVA BRATT, I used to shoot down Sean Storm every day.
Yeah,
it's Sean Storm no move, and DEVA BRATT no move either.
But he sang them tough though, man, I like you.
Him sang him tough, yes, but what him do with
a
it?
bad artist, but him levels and career no move. Yeah.
Alright, brother, go back to Australia, go back to the fight where you fight. Come here, fling back lance.
Yeah, man, you know the code, man. I won't move.
Big up, we link again. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, man.
Look at my beats, man, over there.
Yeah, that is it.
Alright, now say nothing more, we link. You have to hang up your phone, see it?
Alright, bad bro.
See it. People, not the man that do we Australia. I don't know where Jamaica and Australia or down there. So down under them call Australia and a man find a white woman down there. A white woman come to Jamaica, see man and cut with him. You understand?
Go on Australia.
Australia, nigga there. You see me I say? Big up to Australia and big up to the listeners still. Cartel I hear boy. I now grow on the thing. Me make everybody come and talk. He make a good point here. Yeah. You see me I say? Say me can link up nobody else that's all. Cause we know
I'm sure. All boy from down, sir.
No. Cause then he podcast a bit 2 hours long. You see what I say? Can link him up tomorrow.
Alright.
You see me?
Because surprise, because we link him with John, I forgot different Cartel again. Where DEVA BRATT come from?
Yeah.
I say, save your task them.
I forgot different Cartel again.
And him not like him. Because he must say, if you want to hear Cartel, he must say, where DEVA BRATT come from with this?
Yo, I'll go ahead to you know. You see me I say? Alright, tomorrow we talk about that topic there on DEVA BRATT and make him call in. You see me I say? You can call in tomorrow about 1 o'clock film time, though.
What your answer to the point where me and the brother just say we're busy? Busy might have a song where we go far, you know, but the name, the image. You walk in a store, you walk in a shop, you walk in any corner of the earth and you say busy signal. Man, I say, no man, I have data on my phone. You say Vybz Kartel, they must say, no, that beach out, boy. You get me? Sometimes your image go play, your reputation go places that you can't reach. You get me?
But
so
you
when you say,
go ahead.
Go through.
Go ahead.
So when you say the bigger artists or the more known artists, you have to factor everything into one. You get me? And I just the Cartel having beat.
But lyrically, me things said busy. Me a dead panda hill them. Busy. Busy all day.
Lyrically, no, that's a different argument. Lyrically, Busy is a very, very, very tough artist. Very skilled artist. Very tough. We can't take no up on Busy Signal when it comes to talent.
Yeah, why should you, isn't it? I just agreements, no, brother. Let me see. But yo, me disagree with my friends. Me shouldn't call him, you know. Can't fling too nearly in a DEVA BRATT cup. So look, man. Me a pro DEVA BRATT, you know. Me a pro DEVA BRATT, I'm calling him, man. Sink me one time. You see what I say?
One thing about this thing, I say,
yeah. And that means about chance.
Yeah. When you say it's something, click on me and say, Bomba.
Right.
You know, say, later.
Me a Lilith, you know, man. Me not like him again. Me a Lilith, that brother, you know, man. Me not call him again. You see what I say? Man slap with DEVA BRATT. But no care what. Go ahead.
What you doing in 15, 20 years? What you do? What you do?
Yeah, man.
What are you doing?
Man doing thing, man. You see what I say? Come in. What? We don't want to link up certain people, you know. Certain people we just start talking, you see me? And then the podcast done gone left. You see me, brother? So, hey, what going on with you? You know, plan to come that way, yeah?
Probably about March them time, man. Make some big show over there.
Yeah, man, big show come, man. And Bobo Karim, you know, man. You see me, I say? I hear me if you call her now. Bobo Karim, him a go so boom, and him a over here next month. You see me I say? But him say busy straight. You see me I talk about?
I want to show it. You need some difference. You need some bucket.
Yeah, man, because that the man just slap me just now he put up a statement where me couldn't do nothing about. You see me I say? Everything, you know. But I saw it things.
You put them in the comments too. No, for Penny that I missed that too.
No, man, tomorrow we are talking about DEVA BRATT again. Yo, Bobo.
Hold on.
Yo, me sorry if you call it like this still, you know, but me I do want to look at recording. And you did big up you did say busy a better artist, yeah? If you have 1 minute.
Yeah, man.
In what way? Just a minute if you can explain why you choose Busy over Kartel. If you have a minute, isn't it?
You know, musician, we're all musicians, not only DJ.
Yeah.
You understand? We know, when I see one, I know one. You understand?
Yeah.
Busy have a message, a lot of message, positive vibes, and conscious vibes too, you know? Even though he have a lot of cover he's doing, you understand? But it's memories, you understand, he's bringing back. You see? Busy kind of music is like music that bring back reggae music. You understand? Because reggae music, if you look around, it tends to be dying somehow. I don't know for your side over there, but in Scandinavia and some parts in the north of Europe. And way back in Africa even. I just came from Africa. Brother, you play Busy Salon here. You play Busy Signal. The moment you play Busy Signal, everybody just gets up.
Yeah.
Everybody sing along. Everybody smile. You understand? Because Busy loves his own songs. He loves what he's singing. He loves his messages. You understand?
Yeah.
Busy do dancehall. Busy do lovers rock. Busy do soca.
Yes.
Busy do wallpaper music that an artist can supposed to do. And Busy sing live. Do you understand? I'm a drummer, you know. I hear you.
Yeah.
Busy sing live on a stage. That means that's Busy's voice. It's not auto-tune. You hear me?
For real, brother, for real.
And Busy is still up. And you don't hear and watch the videos of Busy. You don't see Busy even bring all them, how you call it, video girls them to perform and dance and this
no
and
naked
that.
man. No naked man.
No naked. It bring matured women, positive, Jamaican, African women to take part in his video and rejoice. He's celebrating life.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry. I mean, maybe somebody have something else to say, but
all right.
I like the guy.
All right, man. I go see you. I come at your place next month. Zine, we link up. Zine, big up.
Yeah, man.
All
Yeah,
right.
man. We'll link up.
All right, big up. Hang up the phone, please.
Yes, sir.
Respect, brother. Respect. That's my brother. Me not give you no chance to ask man a question. You hold on a cartel up. You hold on a cartel up. Me up on you too. People hear me say, I love that conversation. I love that music. Music alone shall live. I'm Jamaican. I love the art. I love the thing called dancehall. And again, two great artists, but busy with the backup. Make me hear who I hear DJ in the comment section. Big up on yourself. Long say Jamaican, you love Jamaica, you love dancehall music, we are friends.